Yo, what's happening, people? Alright, I appreciate the fact that you clicked this video, but let me just explain what it is that I'm trying to do with this. So, if anyone's a fan of the Sidemen, right? JJ on his channel has a series where he looks at his Reddit, and every now and then you come across, people doing artwork and stuff. And I figured, why don't I try and do that? So here I am trying to make a mini series kind of thing where I turn each of the Sidemen into an anime character based on either some of their characteristical traits or physical attributes. So with this, obviously what I'm going to try and do is post it to his Reddit and hopefully have him see it at some point. I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of the Sidemen too, but it's just a matter of finding someone who matches their personalities and stuff. Obviously this video is about Vic because I thought he might be the easiest one to do it on, purely based on the fact that people say he has pretty big eyebrows or pretty bushy eyebrows, and based on that statement I think there's only one true character who can be represented by him. That is Rock Lee from Naruto. If there's anyone that sees this video that is a fan of this stuff, I'd highly appreciate if you do like the artwork, obviously, to maybe share it on his Reddit. Hopefully none of these guys take it the wrong way, but I am going to try and turn these lot into anime characters, starting with Vic. So let's go. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching that video. Hopefully you guys like the art, and as I mentioned at the beginning, if you do, you know, like it and you are fans of this stuff, please share it and forward it on to them, because I really want them to see this. Alternatively, if you guys, you know, like the stuff you see on my channel, go check out the other things that I've done. I am trying to engage a bit more, as I said. And yeah, just leave your comments, let me know what you think, subscribe if you want, and you know, just click that like button, because everyone keeps on going on about this like button and I have no idea what it does, but I'm guessing it's good, and I'm guessing it like boosts you up in the rankings on the algorithms and that, so click that shit.